Hello, today I'll be showcasing the web front end for the BeeHive application. Now I'll be showing what it's like to add an event. First, we plug in our information into the add event form, like our name, the address, the time, our date, and then finally our description. Then we click the submit button and the event gets added. This is what it's like to edit an event. First, we click the edit event button. We will change some values in the fields. Maybe change the address or the title. We'll click update, and that should update the event. Now I'll show what it's like to delete an event. We click delete, we have a confirmation page, and then we confirm and it gets deleted. Now we'll show what it's like to add a group. Click the plus button, add our name, our contact information, and click submit. Now that we've made a group, let's see what it's like to edit it. Click the edit group button, maybe change our contact information, and click update, and that should update the group. To delete a group, you simply click the delete group button and confirm, and that should delete the group. Now we'll show what it's like to add a member to the group. You can click the plus button, pick what member we want to pick, and click save.